Hello you guys, so the first thing you want to do is you want to go to your Play Store. When you're in your Play Store, you want to search for Adobe Fill and Sign, and then you want to click on enter, and then it's going to take you to Adobe Fill and Sign application. So in my case, it's telling me to open because I do have the application downloaded, and in your case, it's going to tell you to install if you don't have the app downloaded. So once the app is successfully downloaded, you want to click on the open button so that we can open up the app and start working. And the next thing you want to do, you want to click on the select a form to fill out so that we can fill out this form that you want, and you want to select from the PDF file because we want to add it a PDF file. So right now it's gonna be like showing you where you need to actually look for your documents. So as you can see here, it's just showing me this document, but I don't want this document, so I'm just gonna go up here to my navigation bar, and then I'm just gonna search for the file. So in my case, I'm gonna go here to files, to my internal storage and Bluetooth, because that's where my file is, and then I'm going to click on the file that I want to edit, which is my to-do list. And then right away to edit, I'm just going to click where I want to put the text. First of all, I'm going to start here on a date. So as soon as you touch there, just next to the date where you want to place your text, what you want to add it, then you can just pretty much write anything that you want. So I'm just gonna fill this out quickly so that you can see that it actually works and how it works. So I'm just gonna put today's date. Just gonna put up a random date actually, and then you can also decrease the size of your font by clicking on this smaller A, and then if you click on the bigger A, it's gonna increase your font size. So the next thing I want to do, I want to just write here, wake up, eat breakfast, see, you can actually drag this around, you guys. You can drag it around wherever you want. And let me just come here, and then I'd say go to work. So I'm sure you guys can pretty much see right now how this whole thing works. So you just add the text wherever you want to add your text, and then you edit your document. So right now what I want to do is I want to have this saved somewhere so that I can be able to view it even later or whatsoever. So I'm just gonna go here to share button, to my share button, and I want to share this to my email, you guys. So I'm just gonna share it to my own email address, and then I'm gonna save this, then I'm gonna send it. So as you can see, I just received an email with this document that I want, and then I'm just gonna click on it to open it. Okay, let's just see how long it's actually gonna take to open. Okay, it's taking much time, so I'm just gonna, let me just download the file so that I have it like as a new file anyway, accessible. So my file is has downloaded completely, and I want to click on the file, and I want to say I want to open it to view it. And voila, you guys, so this is it. You can see this is the PDF document that we just edited with the text that I have inputted on this document, and the document is actually ready to do whatever you want to do with it. Like, so this was just to show you guys how easily this can be done. So you don't really need to have your laptop or computer in order for you to be able to edit a PDF document. So this is how easily this can be done. So this takes us to the end of the video. Please don't forget to click on the like button if you did enjoy this content, so that you don't miss out on anything that I have to post for you guys. And yeah, this is it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Do click on the like and share button, and also subscribe to my channel. It's gonna help me so much. So thank you so much, you guys. I will see you on my next video. Bye.